Hi, we are from Group 4. These are my team members starting with me. My name is Cheah Chee Son from Material Engineering.
Hi, my name is Kumaresan from Metallurgy Engineering.
Hi, my name is Toh Xing Yuing from Material Engineering.
Hi, my name is Megat Azmeer bin Megat Ramli from Materials Engineering.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Aidil Adz'ryl bin Azizan from Material Engineering.
The title that we are going to discuss today is How to Implement Total Management Quality (TQM) in a Polymer Processing Factory.
What is Total Quality Management?
Total Quality Management (TQM) is the application of quantitative methods and human resources to improve all the processes within an organization and exceed customer needs now and in the future. It uses strategy, data, and effective communications to integrate the quality discipline into the culture and activities of the organizations. So, Aidil, what are the principles of TQM?
Principle of TQM. First, it is leadership. Next, customer satisfaction, employee involvement, continuous improvement, supplier partnership, and the last one is performance measure.
Hi everyone. Let's start up with our first leading principle in total quality management, in other words, TQM. Let me explain briefly what is leadership. Leadership, senior management commitment, facilitating managerial role and recognition of success. By establishing a unity of purpose and organizational direction where all members of an organization can share a common goal or aim. Now, how can we implement this principle in polymer processing industry? Polymer processing industry is an industry where leadership plays an important role. As a quote says, great leaders start off as great followers. A leader in this polymer processing industry should be able to listen all the problems and issues that were running in the factory to find a simple and yet a quick solution for those problems. A leader in this industry should take a best decision after a meeting held in the organization. A leader in this industry have to communicate to all workers in the factory regardless their position in the factory to provide a good working environment to them. This will initially increase the quality of the product that were produced in this factory. For an example, every product in the polymer processing industry needs a pillar which is a base for making a polymer. A leader should play an important role by choosing the best pillar for the product in conjunction to create a strong, eco-friendly product and meet the customer expectations. A leader in this industry should also be a good example or role model for their co-workers or staffs. Furthermore, leadership plays an important role in plan new improvement in the management to ensure the processing of polymer always working smoothly. Leader should arrange organizational strategy and objective in this factory. By doing this, a leader is enabled to keep on track of the progress of the factory. Thank you.
Today, I would like to discuss how to implement one of the principles of TQM, that is customer satisfaction in a polymer process factory. First of all, we need to know who is our customers. There are two types of customer, which are external customers and internal customers. External customers are those who receive the final products, while the internal customers occur at the process and cross-department levels within the whole factory. Customer satisfaction is the relation between the expectations and perceived performance of the products. The concept of TQM is seen as a consumer-oriented concept being implemented with the aim of building a high level of customer satisfaction. One of the key aims of TQM is to maximize the customer satisfaction. Therefore, the factory needs to develop and deliver the products to consumers with the features and performance that are appropriate to their needs and expectations. We also need to ensure a balanced approach among the customer and other stakeholders' needs and expectations. After knowing the customer needs and expectations, we need to communicate these needs and expectations throughout the factory. In order to improve the customer satisfaction, we need to focus on customer feedback and customer complaints. We can get customer feedback through the comment cards and formal surveys. Furthermore, customer complaints is also the opportunity for the quality improvement. There are certain procedures for customer complaints, such as accept the complaints. Then, we need to feedback the complaints to all people. After analyzing the complaints by doing some effective works, we need to eliminate the root cause. Lastly, we repeat the results of all investigations and solutions to those who are involved. Thank you.
And now, I will explain briefly about employee involvement. Employee involvement consists of education and training. The cost of education and training for all personnel is enormous, and the time to achieve it is lengthy. Education can be varied by function area, department, and job. The Quality Council may want to establish a project team for the planning of the council. There are several steps to apply in the polymer processing factory. First, we have to accept ownership and responsibility to solve problems and actively seek opportunities to make improvement of our product. We also have to focus on the creation of the value for our customers. Thank you.
The principle that I will present is continuous improvement. First of all, there are 7 phases of problem-solving method that use in continuous improvement. The first phase is identify the opportunity. The second phase is analyze the current process. The third phase is deliver the optimal solution. The fourth phase is implement changes. The fifth phase is study the results. The sixth phase is standardize the solution, and the last phase is plan for future. So now, I will present how to implement these 7 phases of problem-solving method of the principle continuous improvement in the polymer processing factory. For identify the opportunity, the factory must identify the opportunity to improve their products, then from a to find out the ways to improve their products. For example, find out the ways to increase the durability for the short durability products. Next, analyze the current process, which means to deliver the process flow and determine the root cause. For example, find out the causes of the short durability of the products. Then deliver the optimal solution, which means find out the possible solutions. For example, find out the possible ways to increase durability of the products. The fourth phase is implement changes, which means deliver implementation plan reports. For example, deliver implementation plan reports of increasing the durability of the products. The fifth phase is study the result, means take measurement to identify the unforeseen problems. For example, solve all the unforeseen problems that faces. The next phase is standardize the solution, which means institutionalize the change to certify quality peripheral and operators. For example, apply the way of increasing the durability of product in the factory and set up all the operators needed. The last phase is plan for future. That means conduct regular schedule reviews to identify areas for future improvement. For example, always check the quality of products and improve them. These are how to implement the principles of continuous improvement in polymer processing factory. That's all I have to say. So I will pass the implement of the next principle of total quality management to my group member. Thank you.
Hi, today I would like to explain briefly about supplier partnership in total quality management. This total quality management part requires long-term relationship. The management with the supplier also have to be good. There are some criteria to find a good supplier. It is the quality of the part they make for us. We also have to ensure that our part is delivered on time, which is 100% the part is in our hand. To apply this in a polymer processing factory, we have to identify and select the key of our supplier to establish supplier relationship. We also have to create clear and open communication with them. The information also have to be shared with us for our future plan to recognize supplier improvement and achievement. Thank you.
Hi, I will talk about performance measure in total management quality. In business, performance measure is a series of tools, methods, activities, and systems used to evaluate company performance. The target of business is to satisfy their customer with greater efficiency and effectiveness than their competitors. The measurement of business performance is used in both perspectives that can be used in polymer processing company, which is efficiency and effectiveness. The term effectiveness refers to the extent to which customer requirements are met, while efficiency in measure how economically the firm resources are utilized when providing a given level of customer satisfaction. In brief, the basic concept can be summarized as performance measure can be implemented as the process of quantifying the efficiency and effectiveness in polymer processing factory. There are several performance measures in production that can be implemented, which are in terms number one, in terms of quality based measure, which can be product conformance, future, reliability, and serviceability. Number two, in terms of time based measure, which can be manufacturing lead time, deliver lead time, and due date performance. Number three, in terms of cost based measure, the example is production cost, service cost, and selling price. In terms of flexibility based measure, the example is new product introduction, deliverability, and volume.
TQM is difficult, comprehensive, and long-term process.
Mainly concerned with continuous improvement in all work.
TQM is needed in polymer processing factory to have continuous improvement.